In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change language on FxPro. This is essential for ensuring a clear understanding of trading terms, platform features, and financial instruments. To do this, simply head to the FxPro application. You want to tap on the More button at your bottom right. On the Settings page, head to Appearance. Select the very first option of language. It will directly take you to your device settings. Head to Last option of language. Select your preferred language, and it will automatically save changes. Now, when you relaunch the FxPro application, your selected language will display. This allows for better navigation, smoother communication with customer support, and a more efficient trading experience. Well, that's how easy it is to change language on FxPro. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.